subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched two new affordable smartphones under Y series in India called Vivo Y20 and Y20i. Both of these devices are similar but with some minor changes in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Vivo Y20 is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y20 supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus IPS display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries 8-megapixel selfie camera with f1.8 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup at the top left corner including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y20 comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset coupled with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 with FunTouch OS 10.5 skin on top, and it houses a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. For gaming, the company has added Ultra Game Mode and Multi-Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 millimeters and it weighs around 192.3 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y20 has been priced in India at 12,990 Indian rupees. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black and Dawn White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.